Hey, today I'm bringing you recipe number 3 from the Green Smoothie Lifestyle book that's for sale on my bookstore. Alright, this is called the Green Detox Smoothie. And the ingredients are as follows: 1 cup organic kale, 1/2 cup parsley, 1 cup cucumber, 1/2 cup pineapple, 1 lemon squeezed, 1/2 avocado, 1 cup unsweetened green tea, and 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger. Alright, pour all that into the blender, blast it up, add some cold water, boom. This stuff is delish. Green Smoothie Lifestyle, check it out.